Hi, and welcome to this quick enablement video of the NetApp AltaVault Cloud Integrated Storage Appliance, the market-leading solution for protecting data to public and private cloud storage. In this session, we'll show you how to reconfigure your existing AltaVault appliance with a key management server, or KMS. The first step of deploying the AltaVault appliance is setting up the connection to the key management server. After logging into the appliance, let's go to Settings, KMIP page. KMIP is the security protocol supported by AltaVault to speak to various key management servers. When the page loads, we'll provide the key server name of the KMS that we'll use in the environment. Specify it by IP or DNS name and identify the credentials of the user who will be able to authenticate and add entries to the KMS. Note that you will need the CA certificate of the KMS, so get that from your security team and upload it through the Browse button as shown here. Second, we'll need to identify the keys that we want the KMS to manage. Within an AltaVault environment, the keys that are important for a KMS to secure are the cloud credentials and the encryption key of the AltaVault appliance. Let's first create the key entries for the cloud credentials. As you can see here, we are creating a new key that corresponds to the access key of our cloud provider, which in this case is Amazon. Select Yes for the Register Key dropdown in order to create the key on the KMS. Paste the access key value into the field and, if needed, gather this from the Cloud Settings page. We'll also need to create an entry for the secret key as well. This is an additional security value which you must know from Amazon. The last key is the encryption key, which is local to the appliance. You'll create a key called the encryption key, and for this, we'll specify it as a symmetric key. Since the appliance already has an encryption key, we won't need to provide this value as KMIP will pull it securely from the appliance to pass to the KMS. With the cloud credentials and encryption key created, we will then need to use the client interface, or CLI, to complete the KMIP configuration. Log into the appliance and then issue the replication auth key mgmt command to specify the cloud credentials that will be sourced from the KMIP setup we just performed in the GUI. Because the appliance still manages the encryption key within the secure vault, we will need to instruct AltaVault to remove that key. Before we delete the encryption key from AltaVault, first verify that the encryption key has successfully been registered to the KMS from the GUI portion of the setup. Then use the data store encryption reset key command to remove the encryption key from AltaVault. Finally, we'll need to enable AltaVault to use the encryption key and cloud credentials from the KMS. Issue the commands data store encryption key mgmt enable and replication auth key mgmt to enable AltaVault to use the KMS for the encryption and cloud security credentials respectively. With the setup complete, restart the service and complete the transition to a KMS-based configuration for AltaVault. If you refresh the Cloud Settings page, you can see that AltaVault is now receiving the credentials from the KMS as expected. If you take a look at the system log, you will confirm that the credentials and encryption key are being sourced from KMS by messages that begin with the tag comment. You can see that the encryption strings are provided to AltaVault to use for the encryption key and cloud credential connection. Note that the logs are sanitized and the cryptographic secrets now sourced from the KMS are always masked to ensure that they are never reported in the logs. With that, this concludes the quick demo on reconfiguring AltaVault with a key management server. For more information, visit our page at netapp.com/AltaVault.